air column in two identical tubes. Identical means internal diameter is same, length of pipe is same, is vibrating. Tube A has one end closed. So here we are having two tubes which are exactly identical, but tube A has one end closed and tube B has both the end open. Now neglecting the end correction is neglected, then the ratio of fundamental frequency of air column in tube A, ratio of fundamental frequency of air column in tube A to that of fundamental frequency of air column in tube B, fundamental frequency of air column in tube B. So see here, tube A is closed at one end. So what is the formula for fundamental frequency of tube A? So fundamental frequency for the tube, which is fundamental frequency number one, for closed end tube having one closed end is NC or NA is equal to, whenever one end of tube is closed, what is the formula for fundamental frequency? It is V divided by 4 times the corrected length of that closed end pipe. But here end correction is neglected, so we can write this as V divided by 4 into vibrating length, say it is L. Vibrating length is what? L. Similarly, fundamental frequency of tube B, which has both the ends open. So fundamental frequency of tube whose both the ends are open, and that tube is tube B, and it must be given by V divided by 2 times L open. But here end correction is neglected, so we can write this as V divided by 2 times the vibrating length of air column, that is L. So we are having two equations. This is equation number 1, this is equation number 2. And we want to find out the ratio of fundamental frequency of air column in tube A to that of fundamental frequency of air column in tube B, means Na upon Nb. Divide equation 1 by equation 2. So that is equal to V divided by 4L into what? 2L divided by V. So V get cancelled, L get cancelled, 2 1s are 2 2s are, so this is equal to 1 by 2. This is equal to what? 1 by 2. So this is 1:2. So out of 4 options, look at option A. What is option A? It is 1:2. So A is the correct option for this question. A is the correct option for this question.